What's up guys, it's Clayton Lu and today I'm going to show you how to make magic videos. Here are the magic videos that I made.
I'm gonna have an orange for supper. Wait, where's the orange? What am I gonna have for supper now? I guess I might as well have this. Yes, I'm gonna eat this for supper now. Okay, so take a piece of paper, put it in the toilet, and when you take it out, you get toilet paper. It's so bright in here. I mean, turn off the light. Wait, why are all the colors inverted? Now this is black. No, I need to turn the color back. That's better. Okay guys, watch me solve this Rubik's Cube. Okay, done. Okay, so I'm down to my last row of toilet paper, but I'm just gonna use a piece of paper. See? I've got another row of toilet paper. Okay, here's the summer hack. I'm going to teleport to my pool using this green blanket. It worked! I'm at the pool. This is the best summer ever.
I hope you enjoyed those magic videos. The reason why I make magic videos is because I'm inspired by Zach King. Now I'm going to show you guys how to film a magic video and then I'm going to show you how to edit it. So the concept for this video is that there's nothing in this container, but there's actually a secret compartment. So I reached deep into the container and grabbed this Rubik's Cube, which is on this trash can. And I've got my ring light here and let's get right into it. So there's nothing in this container, but there's actually a secret compartment. Check this out. See? A Rubik's Cube. Alright, so I've wrapped up with the filming. Now I'm going to show you guys how to edit. As you can tell from Zach King's videos, you have to edit them to make them magic. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to Magic Eraser. Then I'll select the latest photo, which is this photo. And then I'm going to erase everything but the outside of the container and the piano bench. Then I'll show you guys the next step. Alright, it's fully erased except for the outside of the container and the piano bench. Now, select quality, high resolution, saved. Now the next step is to go to Video Leave. So let's go to it. Then import these two clips into new project. Now to layer this clip on top of this clip, I'll use the mixer feature. Okay. And then I'll make it the same length as the video. So there you have it. I'll give you some extra tips. Export this, make it 1080 and then frames per second, 60 frames per second, and then save. So now that I'm finished editing it, here's the final result. So there's nothing in this container, but there's actually a secret compartment. Check this out. See? A Rubik's Cube. So that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and also turn on the bell notifications if you want to be notified for the future videos that I make. And if you want to go to Zach King's channel, click the link in the description below. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!